County in northeastern New Mexico, northwestern Guadalupe County and east central New Mexico, northeastern Torrance County in central New Mexico, until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Villanueva State Park to 11 miles northeast of Klein's Corners, south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Villanueva State Park and El Chico, Villanueva, Tecolotizo, and Milagro. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 224 and 250. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Guadalupe, San Miguel, and Torrance. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central San Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico, west central Harding County in northeastern New Mexico, southeastern Moore County in northeastern New Mexico, until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:13 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Wagon Mound, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wagon Mound, Valmra, Mays, Trujillo, and Shoemaker. This includes the following highways: Interstate 25 between mile markers 369 and 393. State Route 1 Ohio 4 between mile markers 19 and 32. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rains from severe thunderstorms can produce sudden and dangerous flows in arroyos, ditches, and over low water crossings. Do not attempt to drive through areas where water covers the roadway. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Harding, Moore, and San Miguel. The National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Lincoln County in central New Mexico, southeastern Torrance County in central New Mexico, until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Cedarvale, or 18 miles northwest of Corona, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corona and Cedarvale. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Lincoln and Torrance.
You will not be able to...
The National Weather Service. Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sandoval County in north central New Mexico, Bernalillo County in central New Mexico, until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:34 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over eastern Rio Rancho, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Albuquerque, Rio Rancho, Corrales, Bernalillo, Enchanted Hills, Coronado State Monument, Vista Hills, San Diego Pueblo, Rio Rancho City Center, and Santa Ana Pueblo. Interstate 25 miles north of 230 and 247. Highway 5 between mile markers 1 and 5.
Services.
To an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Heavy rain, severe thunderstorms can produce dangerous arroyos, ditches, and overflow water crossings. Do not attempt to drive through areas where water covers the roadway. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 daylight time for the following counties in New Mexico, Bernalillo, and San Diego. The National Weather Service has severe thunderstorm watch number 298 effective until 9:29 to daylight time. Was tracking a The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Guadalupe County and east central New Mexico, eastern Torrance County in central New Mexico, until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 miles south of Anto and Chico to 12 miles north of Encino, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vaughan, Encino, Pastura, Duran, Pintada, and Milagro. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 238 and 263. Highway 285 between mile markers 194 and 234. Highway 60 between mile markers 246 and 284. These storms are producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico, Guadalupe, and Torrance. The severe thunderstorm